3, 2, 1, start. He said police had made the peaceful atmosphere of the public meeting, not the PTI supporters, full stop. Next day, cases were registered against us, he added, full stop. Former National Assembly Speaker said the worst kind of excesses were being committed against the PTI leaders and demanded the withdrawal of cases against PTI founder Imran Khan and other party leaders, full stop. The visibly perturbed speaker said he felt useless in the current scenario, full stop. Such an impression is being given that all happened with my consent, full stop. Because of your statements, I feel I am the one responsible for the arrests, full stop. Now, I have to think in my chamber about whether I should stay or leave, the speaker said while presiding over the house, full stop. New para. On the other hand, JUIF Maulana Fazlur Rahman hinted at relief to some extent to the government regarding the passage of a controversial constitutional package regarding judges of the Supreme Court, full stop. He said the Chief Justice of Pakistan should be appointed by the Parliamentary Panel or Judicial Council, endorsing a clause of the 18th Amendment, full stop. He said the act of extending the tenures of the army officers or the civil servants was wrong, full stop. He, however, said the government should take the opposition into confidence for any legislation, adding that not only seniority but the capability of the judge must be considered, full stop. The desired legislation for the 3-year tenure of the CJP needs 224 votes in the National Assembly for its passage, and the ruling coalition is short of 12 votes, full stop. New para. The government requires the JUIF support and 3 to 4 other opposition members for the constitutional package, full stop. Earlier, a maiden meeting of the Special Committee of the National Assembly unanimously elected MNA as the chairman of the committee, full stop. However, in the first meeting of the committee, formed on the proposal of PPP chairman Bilawal Bhutto Zardari under the Charter of Parliament, Defence Minister Khwaja Asif walked out in protest against what he called non-cooperation of PTI members, full stop. We are being blackmailed by the PTI, full stop. The PTI is reaping what it had sown during its 4-year tenure, he added, full stop. The president of the Sunni Ittihad Council proposed his name as the chairman of the committee, full stop. The end.